Did you know that one of the most recognized painting styles in history is actually a decades-long love letter, and almost nobody knew her name? Marc Chagall grew up in a small Jewish village in Belarus. When he was young, he met a girl named Bella Rosenfeld. She was sharp, literary, and from a wealthier family. Her parents disapproved. None of that stopped him. From the moment she entered his life, she entered his paintings. The floating couple above the rooftops. The woman lifted into a blue sky on her wedding day. The bride wrapped in white over a dreaming village. That woman, in nearly every canvas, was Bella. They married in 1915. She wrote, he painted her over and over for 30 years. Then in September 1944, Bella died suddenly from a viral infection. She was 58. Chagall stopped painting entirely. For 9 months, he could not touch a brush. Millions of people walked through galleries staring at his devotion and never knew her name. Now you do.